Hello everybody, I'm your host Barnyard, and today we got a box of tons of movies and stuff in here. I peeled the label off so I don't show my address or anything. So let's get inside. This is from oldies.com. They were having a great sale on... Sorry if I was covering the camera earlier. Great sale on movies and music DVDs and stuff like that. So I quickly jumped on and grabbed some stuff. These are all brand new, factory sealed. I paid not too bad for this. There's some ads in here. But yeah, these are all brand new, factory sealed. So it's amazing to me that I got all this for this good of a deal. I'm going to pause to sort it, and I'll be right back. Oh, hello. I'm cutting in to talk about an issue I had with this package. I had a couple discs where they would spin up and make a really nasty noise, like something's grinding in the machine, and it wouldn't properly load. So I sent them a request. Hopefully I'll get a response back by tomorrow, by the day you're watching this, or the day before. I'm probably going to upload this on Wednesday. It's Monday night right now, so I'm currently waiting a response. I'll update you guys down below if they do help me out. Back to your regular scheduled video. We got 8 music titles, but we got one special one. Stanley and Kevin Smith Save the World. 3 Marvelous Problems. Put out by Mill Creek. 2 disc sets. An Evening with Kevin Smith, An Evening with Kevin Smith 2, Stanley's Mutants, Marvels, and Marvels. I already have these 2 on DVD, but why not? I honestly didn't know what I was getting into. I just saw Stanley and Kevin Smith, and I was like, yes, I have to pick it up. I don't know what the heck happened, but it cut me off. We're again showing Stanley's and Kevin Smith Save the World. This is a Mill Creek release. 9 hours and 16 minutes worth. There's an alternate cover art over there. Disc 1 has An Evening with Kevin Smith and Mutants, Monsters and Marvels. I want to see what that looks like as one disc. And you got An Evening with Kevin Smith 2, Evening Harder on disc 2. This TCT, live at the Royal Albert Hall, The Who, The View, The Cure, Noel Gallagher, Judas Priest. I'm probably going to keep this sealed for the moment. So yeah, I'm going to keep this sealed for the moment. This is awesome. Stone Temple Pilots, Alive at the Windy City. You got a bunch of classic Stone Temple Pilots songs on here. DTS track on here. This is, how long is this? 92 minutes. Let me pause to get the sticker off. Alrighty, got the sticker off. Let's cut her open. Recorded in 2010. $92. Taking off the sticker. Of course, I don't need the sticker on, otherwise how the hell can you get it open? I definitely have to watch this. I will watch this as soon as possible. Alrighty, time to put the sticker back on the case. Front, spine, back. Is it cleared? Yes. DTS and Dolby Digital on here. I don't know why, but it's stuck. What the heck? That's the weirdest thing ever. The plastic kept it stuck at the bottom. I can't wait to watch this. Stone Temple Pilots. Disc. I'm gonna have to watch this. This is my first Stone Temple Pilots live video. I'm actually gonna self-center this sticker. Yeah, there we go. That's much better. Alrighty. Alanis Morissette live at the Montreal 2012. You got a bunch of classics on here. You Learn. Ironic, Head Over Feet. So I gotta check this out for sure. I've seen this on like this is on like Tubi and stuff. I'm like, yeah, maybe not. Maybe I'll wait to watch it. Glad I did. Now I can watch it on DVD instead of Tubi. I'd rather watch it on physical media. So yeah, let's get that sticker off. Alrighty, front, spine, back. There's a minor hole in there, but what can you do? This does have DTS as well as Dolby Digital. This is at the Jazz Festival. Okay. Jagged Little Pill, of course, being mentioned. All the songs. Walt Disney Music, what is that for? I Remain? I gotta look that song up now. Disney's related to it. You Oughta Know. And in my pocket, bunch of classics on this one. Here's the disc. Great stuff. Korn live at the Montreal 2004. Front, spine, back. I'm Blind. One. Another Brick in the Wall. Faggot. Freak on a Leash. Classics on here. How long is this? 90 something minutes, huh? 75 minutes. Very hard to get these stickers off. Weird shot of Jonathan Davis over there. I think that's Jonathan Davis. Looks like it. I'm surprised I didn't find any like Metallica or anything on oldies on sale. Or no Rage Against the Machine or anything like that. I know they did some Eagle Vision releases. Front, spine, back, as I said, 75 minutes, not rated. Corn. There you go. Here's some of the releases at the time. Johnny Cash. You know, that kind of stuff. Now here's more My Cup of Tea. Alice Cooper, Deep Purple. Run DMC even. So. Why in the heck did they choose to put them on the bill? I don't know. Okay. I got the barcode thing off. Here's the disc. Whoa. Tough one to come off. There you go. Black Sabbath, the Dio Years, Hanging Out with Heaven and Hell, 2007 VH1 special. This is 30 minutes long. Look, this is the kind of thing that I think might be like promotional material kind of release. Like very limited release kind of thing. So I had to grab it. Black Sabbath, the Dio Years. Runtime 30 minutes, very short. Front, spine, back. Yeah, this looks like the kind of burn on demand kind of thing. Disc. Gonna have to watch this. Now we're getting into multiple band kind of things. Vans Warped Tour 2007. Avenged Sevenfold, Bad Religion, Killswitch Engage, Fishbone, Pennywise, Sum 41 on here. Interviews from Paramore. So yeah, 60 minutes. I'm gonna have to give this a watch, definitely. This is my first Warped Tour release in my collection. I know some people have like all of them, but not me. I don't have all of them. Front, spine, whoa, back. I might get lucky with this one. Yep, all one. Came off as one. Cool. Come on, off. 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 There we go. Here's the stuff. The Hell song. That's the only song I recognize, the Hell song. Disc. Riding Up the Vans with the Boys with Blink-182, Green Day, and Jimmy Eat World. Was this the tour Blink and Green Day did together? I'm not too sure. Oh yeah, this is the Pop Disaster Tour stuff. Okay, cool. Gonna have to check this. I think this might be like one of those what's it called, videos. Gotta check this out. I didn't know this even existed until when I went looking. I was like, ooh, cool. Yeah. This thing is, how long is this? Hour and 25 minutes. I thought there was nothing of the Pop Disaster Tour ever released, but I guess I was wrong. Again, these security stickers are a bitch to take off. Come on. Yeah, I got all these for like less than $5 a piece. Some of these I paid like $2 for, so. Come on. Come on. I'll be right back. Pause. Alrighty, security sticker off, front, spine, back. Bunch of stickers. I don't know what that's for, but okay. There's the disc, as you can see. Always take these off. There you go. I'll check the openings to these later, don't worry. Okay, this one I've been looking at picking up for a while, but I got it at a price that I was like, okay, why not? This is Hard Rock Treasures, behind the scenes rock. A look at the rock and roll royalty and their most prized possessions. Alrighty. 90 minutes. Alrighty. Alrighty, I got it off. Let's do this. I heard like Pantera's in here, Metallica, that kind of people. So I had to pick this up. So, ad for the Hard Rock book. $30 when you bought the DVD. Here's the disc. And that's it for this video. That's all 9 titles I picked up. But inside there was also some other stuff in here. An ad for a Coca-Cola car? I don't know what this is. $29.99 for that. A Betty Boop floor lamp. And whoa, that's cool. Batman Cape Crusader like thing. That's cool. So yeah, that's all. Excuse me. I have to see you guys next time. Bye bye.